Hey, what's going on YouTube? So this past Sunday we ended up going to the Legends toy drive with Dustin, TJ Hunt, and Tanner Fox, and Throttle, and all the guys anyways. And we had another plan of going to another toy drive shortly after. But unfortunately we had a mishap that happened to me while I was in the Z, which we will get into later in the video. But another question I wanted to ask you guys is that we have a new little intro, which I'm about to play now right before today's video, and I want to get you guys' opinion. So comment down below, let me know what you guys think. So without further ado, let's get into today's video. Alright guys, we made it out here to the Legends Holiday Meets. We're gonna go ahead and check out some of these cars. Is that the mustache? Is that the mustache?
Dude, it's pretty good, huh? Come on, tell me. If you saw me cruising down the street, you'd be like, damn, look at that guy's stash.
I feel like that stash like traveled through time to land on you.
Dude, I'm like pretty proud of it, I'll be honest. Never had one before. He loves it. I love it. I want to be in it. I want to swim in his stash. It's true. He looks like a cop.
He looks like a cop, huh?
Give me aviators. I'll pull you over.
He looks like a cop, man.
Dude, act up. Act natural. When I had Adams on when I was in Florida, dude, it was like straight money. Looked great. Money cop. And every day I'm just getting a little darker up there.
It's getting there.
Maybe he's the other type of cop. I have an issue with like figuring out how to shave it with a normal razor.
No, but what are you doing? I have that issue too. I don't know what
I'm gonna fucking buy one of those.
What do you do with the ends?
You had to get no, there's like a little, nose hair trimmer. I mean, that's an option.
But have you noticed Calvin's mustache?
Dude, it's like faint. It actually recently plucked it. It gets dirty. It gets dirty up on my upper lip, you know?
Oh damn, it's Dustin Williams.
Yo,
hey bro.
You guys have a good time?
Yeah. Great event, bro.
Thank you, bro.
Hey, dude, you killed it. right, that's gonna wrap up our day here at the Legends meet. We're about to head out. Swipe up, subscribe. Yeah. Anyways, that wraps up today's meet. We are heading down. Don't swipe right. That concludes today's meet. We are heading to another meet right now. Great time over here. A lot of cool cars, a lot of cool people, but we gotta head out. Peace.
Get that camera out of my face, sir. You can't film me, sir. That's what I'm talking about.
Say something. Well, this is really shitty. I was driving to our next meet and got a lot of weird vibrations out of the Datsun. I thought it was a flat tire, but the tires are fine. It turns on, the car turns on, but it's making a really weird vibration, and since everything runs so hot on this car, I haven't really began to figure out what it is. There's no leaks. It doesn't look like we're leaking. But to me, it sounds like it's coming out of the transmission area. I think maybe this tranny finally gave out. Forgive all the road noise. I'm literally right off the freeway. Look at that. Alright, man, so what did I do?
Just snapped all the bolts off the tranny.
How?
Wow, let me see, right leg a little heavier than left.
How? I don't understand.
Dude, look, if you look up here, let me get a light. Look up there, right here. See there? There ain't no bolt. Up there ain't no bolt. Over here, there ain't no bolt.
They're just gone.
No, they're snapped. They're snapped off in it. When I'm taking it out, I gotta drill and easy out the studs. They snap. They snap. I was like, wow. Got transport, everything seems to be good in here.
So, would that cause that vibration that I was getting?
Oh yeah. So see, you'll see. Because when I turn this over, the whole tranny loops.
Yeah, that's how I felt. Like,
yeah. What it is, it's hanging on the torque converter.
oh shit. So I mean, I think it's time to swap it for a 6-speed. No?
Perfect.
Almost like we knew what the we were doing, huh?
Look at this. Yeah, bro, like fucking gouging whatever.
Holy shit.
Gouged inside the tranny.
Oh yeah, that's just from breaking loose.
And that concludes today's videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. We are so lucky to have such great supporters watching all of our builds. It's unfortunate that the Z's transmission had to go out, but we're looking at this as a positive thing because we're finally going to be able to swap it out with the T56 6-speed. So that's a good thing. So moving forward, we are even more excited for this next year for you guys to see what we got cooking. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and smash that like button and go ahead and follow us on Instagram. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, we got you covered.